Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can install WordPress on your new cPanel. At first, when you logged in your cPanel, it will look like this. Or if you're using a different cPanel, it could be a bit different, but more or less it's all the same. So you might be found Softaculous option on the left side bar, or if you're not found here, you can search for Softaculous on the top. So you will found like this. So let's start from here. So if you go there, you will found that has no installation because this is the fresh cPanel I have just created yesterday. So let's install WordPress here. So at first click to install. And then at first you will have to choose the protocol. So I have already installed free SSL here. So I will pick the HTTPS and I'll have to go with the www. And here is the domain name, and you can select a directory if you would like to install WordPress on same directory or the subdirectory. So suppose in the future you might look on to create a staging website, then you can like staging, you can type here, then your WordPress directory will be like this, but I'm going to install on the root domain, so I will leave it empty. And here you can pick the WordPress version you would like to use. I will go with the latest one. Here is the few more things. You can change the size settings later from your WordPress dashboard settings, general. For now, just leave it. And from here, you will see the multi-site option. So whenever you would like to have multi-website, you can enable this option, but we would like to go with the single website. And you can also disable the WordPress clone, but I would like to have it. Here is the admin information. You can choose the information you would like to have here. So I'm going with my username, and here is the password you would like to have. But for now, I'm going to generate password by myself in the another window. So I have copied and just I can paste. And here is the admin email, which email used to received email notification from the website. So I can go with my personal email. It's totally up to you. And here is the few more things or plugins you can install, but I am fine. I can just go with the limit login option. And here is the language you can select, but for me it's good. And here is the advanced options. You can rename your default database name. So I can go with like this. And you can also disable the update notification emails. I just like to get rid of this. And also would like to update WordPress plugins and theme automatically. So I will enable both options. And here is the table prefix. You can rename it as you prefer. So I can just go with this, and I would like to update to the latest version of WordPress. So I will go with the last option. And here is the backup option you can just use, but I will go with the additional plugin. So I don't want those backup option. And here is the theme option. You can choose some theme from here, but I am not going to install or pick anything from there. So just leave it as it is now. And here is the email you can use to receive all the login credential and installation information on your inbox. So you can just click to install. So I think everything is good to go. So let's install. So it could take a few minutes, but normally it's take like 10 or 20 seconds. Then it's going to install. And then you will find another window with your login option. So here we have done. If you go back to the WordPress management option, you will find your website details. And from there, if you even forgot your password or you would like to have a magic link to log in your WordPress, you can just click here. Then you will not required to enter your username or password. They will give you automatic login. And from here you will find some other information. You can just tweak from there, like a debug mode or other things we have already done. So right now I think we are all good and installation has been done. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next time.